Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Make sure you're on an administrator account and have a current backup because you're changing boot security. Once ready, reboot into your motherboard UEFI and disable Secure Boot. Secure Boot will block unsigned boot flags. After Windows restarts, open an elevated command prompt. You'll enter boot configuration commands next to allow unsigned drivers. Do these steps now, so the environment accepts the permanent policy, changes you're about to apply. Now you apply the permanent flags. In the elevated command prompt, run bcdedit/ set test signing on to enable Windows test signing mode. On some systems, you may prefer bcdedit/ set nointegrity checks on to bypass integrity checks. Once executed, run bcdedit/ enum to confirm the flag is set. This changes the boot configuration store so Windows loads without enforcing driver signature checks. Make sure Secure Boot stays disabled, because finish by rebooting Windows so the new boot flags take effect. You should see a test mode watermark in the desktop corner indicating test signing is active. Then install your unsigned driver through Device Manager or the package installer. Windows will now allow it. If an update or Secure Boot re-enables enforcement, boot to Advanced Options and press F7 Disable Driver Signature Enforcement for a one-time bypass, or rerun the bcdedit commands in an elevated prompt. Key troubleshooting tip: check that Secure Boot is still disabled. If it isn't,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.